Look, he's not even gonna wait for me. He's not even gonna wait for me. Look, he's gone. He's flying. Mr. Pip. Not even waiting for me. I see how you are. I see how you are, Mr. Pip. Hey, man. Hey, man. You coming? Come on. Come on. This way. This way. Let's go. What are you goobers doing? Huh? What are you goobers doing? Look at you. Aren't you the handsomest guy in town? Aren't you the handsomest guy in town you are? Mr. Holiday. Looking good, sir. Looking good. You a handsome man, you are. He's like, I know. I know. Look at you guys. Are you cleaning up yesterday's snacks? Are those yesterday's snacks? What are you doing, huh? Honk, honk, honk. Who is that? Is that, yeah, that's Sunny. Hey, Sunny. Look at that floofy neck. That's a floofy neck, Sunny. You have the floofiest of necks, sir. Super floof. Super floof. Oh, she's like, no, don't touch me, human. Keep the hands off. Hey, Flip Flop. How you doing, my boy? How's my boy? Henry. Oh, you gonna get sassy? Are you gonna be sassy? I see how you be. I see how you are. Uh-oh. Here comes trouble. Here comes trouble. Here they come. Whoa. Oh, you taking a bath, Flip Flop? You kind of look silly in there. You look a little silly. That one's kind of small. You like the other one's small too. He's like, all you need is a couple inches of water. That's it. What's going on, Henry Goose? What are you doing, Henry Goose? Huh? I'm pretty sure Rosemary over there is waiting patiently for y'all to get out of her way so she can go get in her pool. Sage, Rosemary, are these goobers being pool hogs? They got their own swimming pool over on the goose side of the yard, don't they? They're just like, whatever. We're gonna go find some bugs. Hey, boys. Hey, boys. How are you today? Noisy. Noisy. Hey, buddy goose. Buddy's still being kept in his own area. He gets his own dedicated snacks at night while he gains his strength and weight back. Come on, he's doing really well though. Come on, buddy boy. He's telling it. He's telling it. You tell it, buddy. Hello, horses. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Go on, Pumpkin. Don't be a troublemaker. Let's see what we got over here. Who is this troublemaker? Sam. Sam. Looking good, pretty lady. Sassy as always. Sassy as always. Taking the long way down to the food bowl today, I see. I hear all the thumps. I'm gonna go give you these snacks now. Hey, Corona, pretty girl. Hey, pretty lady. She don't want no parts of me. See what we got going on. Oh, you guys emptied the snack bowl. I see it. How you doing, Corona, pretty girl? Sam's over there snacking. She didn't waste any time. She's hungry. You're so beautiful. Look, y'all can see her little wing. See that little bit sticking right there? That's her wing. It's a little tiny. Kind of funny. Kind of funny. But she's got that wing, and that wing has a claw on the end of it. That's also very funny. She's got like this little nubbin with a claw on the end. Don't you, Corona? She's like, whatever, human. How are them snacks friendly? Are those good snacks, sir? Huh? Are those good snacks? Look at him. He's looking good. He's such a handsome rooster, even without his tail. Even without his tail. One of these days, we might get a friendly tail back, but for now, it's just stubby friendly. I'm like, whatever, man. You still got some gorgeous golden feathers. He's like, I got these snacks right now. That's all I care about. Such a good boy. He's a beautiful bird. Aren't you friendly? He's like, yes, I am. I am the most handsome of the roosters, I am. Hey, lady. How are you? So it's going to be a bit of a short one today. We had a guest on the sanctuary, and we were giving a tour. But this is Turkle-Lurk. She doing good. She looking good. It's crazy to think this bird is 12 years old. She's like, whatever. Whatever, where are them snacks? Where are them snacks? Hello, Sage. Hello, Sage, beautiful lady. She's like, nope. Talk to the tail waggle. I'm leaving. She was perfectly fine until I had the audacity to say something to her. Antisocial duck. That's an antisocial duck. All right, y'all. I think I'm gonna call it there. I got a busy day today. I'll see y'all later. Hope y'all have a great weekend.